Hello everyone, I'm Vikram P. Maduri here, and I'm an SAP architect, and welcome to JH Softech. And in this session, I'm going to take up a quiz for everyone. Like this is very important for us to go ahead and take this kind of quiz. I'll be rolling out more such quiz in recent in coming days, and what I would suggest you is to take down a pen and a paper and start writing the answers, and then you can count how many answers were right for the first time and second time and so on and so on. And if you like this quiz, I suggest you to also share it with your friends. It's like helping your friends as well to upgrade themselves to the SAP latest concepts, and also to refresh the existing things that we already know and maybe we'll not be able to recollect in the first go. So this is very important for us to at least spend every day 15 minutes so that we can upgrade to new things. And this is not specific to a particular module, but most of the questions in this particular session, in this particular quiz, are related to finance. But I suggest everyone to take up this quiz so that we can have we can be aware of the basic stuff for every module. So I'm going to roll out a lot of quizzes like this, and yeah. So let's go ahead with this, and let's start with the session. Now, which of the following statements is correct for external number assignment? That's manual posting. So you need to choose the correct answer. The number is entered by the user A. B, the number is the last document number. C, the number must be assigned in a sequence. D, the number is automatically assigned. So now you can put down the answer on a paper or note down somewhere, and keep a top of it. Now, the right answer is A. The number is entered by the user. When you are doing a manual posting, the number is entered by the user. What must you do to create new validations and substitutions? There are two correct answers for this. Choose the chart of accounts, deactivate all former validations and substitutions, define the area of application, select the relevant call up point. So you need to write down two correct answers for this, for the validations. Now, the answer is C and D. What must you do to create a new validations and substitutions? Define the area of application and select the relevant call-up point. Which fields can you edit before posting a parked document? There are three correct answers for this, and the posting date, document type, account, amount, and currency. So you need to put down three correct answers on your paper. Okay, so let's see the answer now. Now the answers are A, C, and D. So which fields can you edit before posting a parked document? Posting date, document type, posting date, account, and amount. These are the three things that we can edit before posting the parked document. So which of the following product lines does the SAP S/4HANA system rely on for most human resource management functions? So there's only one right answer. So A, Concur, B, SAP Hybris, C, SAP SuccessFactors, and D, SAP Ariba. Put down your answer on your paper. The right answer is C, SAP SuccessFactors. Yes. So which of the following product lines does the SAP S/4HANA system rely on for most human resource management functions? The answer is C, SAP SuccessFactors. Which business partner categories are available to manage relationships? The two correct answers for this. For business partner categories like customer, bank, person, and organization. Put down your answer. The answers are A and D, customer and organizations. So business partners categories are available to manage relationships between the customers as well as for the organizations as well. Which of the following options are included in the Asset Explorer? The three correct answers for this: post documents, drill down to reports, display depreciation calculations, drill down to financial accounting document. put down your answer on the paper. Now the answers are B, C, and D. So drill down to reports, display depreciation calculation, drill down to financial accounting document. You can compare text patterns in your statements using the keyword like. Determine whether this statement is true or false. You have to write down whether it's true or false. Answer is A, it's true. So you can compare text patterns in your statements using the keyword like. Which two reports should you use to create correspondence to and from customers and vendors to enable you to verify the balance of receivables and payables? There are two correct answers for this. So the reports are like SAP F1 F130K, SAP F130E, SAP F130D, SAP F130L. So put down the answers on your paper. Okay, the answers is A and C. So that the SAP F130K and SAP F130D. When you post a manual incoming payment, which parameters are valid for all payment documents? There are two correct answers for this. So we have residual item, tolerance group, bank account, journal entry type. The answers are C and D, bank account and journal entry type. So which field status has the lowest priority for the GL accounts? We have optional entry, hide, required entry or display. The answer is optional entry. So it has the lowest priority. In the integrated scenario for down payments, in what step of the process do you enter the down payment information? A, invoice verification, B, purchase order creation, C, down payment monitoring, or D, goods receipt creation. The answer is A, invoice verification. Which of the following functions include the important functions of the SAP list viewer tool? So there are three correct answers for this. So we need to write down all the three. Define print parameters, setting filters, deleting and inserting columns, calculating totals and subtotals. Answers are B, C, and D. Setting filters, deleting and inserting columns, calculating totals and subtotals. You want to make the field reference document number required for entry. Which objects controls these settings? A, document reference key, B, document type, C, document field status, D, document posting key. The answer is B, document type. So you want to make the field reference document number required for entry. So the object controls this, the object that controls the settings is document type. What is the recommended field status settings for fields in the customer vendor account groups in the financial accounting customizing? Is it display, required, hide, or optional? It's the optional. So what is the recommended field status setting for field in the customer vendor account group in the financial accounting customizing? It's optional. So delta postings can execute revaluation. Determine whether this statement is true or false. So the answer is true. We can do the delta posting, can execute revaluation. What information is provided when you execute the balance audit trail? When we execute the balance audit trail, the starting balance and the yearly changes to the balance of a general ledger account, the open account balances for customer accounts and supplier accounts, a list of changes of maintained sensitive fields in a general ledger accounts, a comparison of general ledger account balances across ledgers. So what's the right answer? The answer is A. The information is provided when you execute the balance audit trail is the starting balance and the yearly changes to the balance of a general ledger account. So how many posting period intervals in SAP S4 HANA are used for postings of financial accounting and controlling? Is it 12, 16, 2, and 3? So, yeah, the answer is B, 16. The same with the I mean, like even the ECC version as well. The same thing is carried forward for SAP S/4HANA as well. 16 periods. 12 would be the posting periods, and 4 would be the special posting periods. So total put together we have 16. Which of the following statements is correct for external number assignment? The number is automatically assigned. The number is the last document number. The number must be assigned in a sequence. The number is entered by the user. So the answer is the number is entered by the user. In the manual posting, the number have to be entered by the user. Which of the following steps are parts of the process of configuring the payment program? There are three answers to this question. So A, configure the house banks. B, configure the payment methods for each company code. C, configure the GL account field status for document entry. Configure the paying company codes. So the correct answers are A, B, and D. Configure the house banks, configure the payment methods for each company code, and configure the paying company codes. Which data model is used for SAP S/4HANA? Is it online analytical processing that is based on aggregated tables and indexes? Online transactional processing that's called popularly as OLTP, and online and OLAP, both running on a single system? Or OLTP for on-premise deployments and OLAP for cloud deployments? OLTP and OLAP each using data from separate tables. So which one is true for data model used in SAP S/4HANA? The answer is B. OLTP and OLAP both running on a single system. In which items of a financial statement version can you find values related to accounts for sales deduction and material expenses? So sales deductions in loss item, material expenses in loss item, sales deductions in liabilities item, material expenses in loss item, sales deduction in loss item, material expenses in liabilities item, sales deductions in assets item, material expenses in loss item. So which one is right? The answer C. In which items of a financial statement version can you find values related to accounts for sales deductions and material expenses? It's sales deductions in loss item and material expenses in liabilities item. On which organization and unit level do you define a chart of depreciation? So it's like asset class, chart of accounts, client, company code. The answer is C, like client. So when procurement transactions are posted, which of the following steps is exclusively carried out in a materials management? So creation of purchase order, goods receipt, or invoice receipt? The answer is A, creation of purchase order. So when procurement transactions are posted, the steps is exclusively carried out in a material management. So this will be in the creation of purchase order. So you use ledger approach for parallel accounting in asset accounting. Depreciation area 01 is assigned to the leading ledger for an area 01 is assigned to the leading ledger for leading valuation and depreciation area. 32 is assigned to the non-leading ledger for parallel valuation. What posting option should you choose for depreciation area 32? Now, the area posts APC immediately, depreciation periodically, uh, area does not post, or area posts depreciations only, or area posts in real time. So the answer is C, area post depreciations only. Okay, from here on, I'll continue on the next video, and thanks for watching this. And for SAP, any kind of SAP S/4HANA trainings or any other trainings, you can contact us at info@jsoftech.com. Even if you're looking out for any other software trainings also, you can contact us on this number. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com.